Outlook search not working can be a frustrating issue for users relying on efficient email management. Several causes can contribute to this problem. One common reason is a corrupt or incomplete Outlook search index. If the index is damaged or outdated, it can hinder the search functionality. Another factor could be large mailbox sizes, which can slow down the search process. Inadequate memory allocation, outdated Outlook version, or conflicting add-ins can also impact search functionality. Additionally, network connectivity issues or server problems can prevent Outlook from retrieving search results. By understanding these causes, users can explore solutions like rebuilding the search index, optimizing mailbox sizes, updating Outlook, or resolving network-related issues to restore the search functionality in Outlook. When facing issues with Outlook search not working, there are several potential solutions to consider. Firstly, rebuilding the search index can resolve corrupt or incomplete indexes. This can be done through the Outlook options menu under the search tab. Another approach is to optimize mailbox sizes by archiving or deleting old emails, reducing the load on the search process. Updating Outlook to the latest version can also fix bugs or glitches affecting the search feature. Disabling conflicting add-ins or running Outlook in safe mode may help identify any third-party software causing this issue. Lastly, ensuring stable network connectivity and addressing server problems can improve search functionality in Outlook. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.